Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. I would like to inform you, today I'm going to launch a new course especially for beginners, Tekla for beginners. Okay, in this course, you will learn from starting to end of this course, you will learn everything in Tekla structures for basics. For example, you can see initial Tekla structure tutorial 1, you will learn Tekla structure setup, and next grid editing, create views and fit our career to entire model, or to create column, beams and construction objects and points, and create column with base plate and different types of base plate connections, and column to beam connections and beam to beam connections and splice connections and bracing connections. And what about assembly drawings and numbering and selection filter and sample project. And in this sample project you will learn everything step by step, and you will get the material step by step process also, and create single part drawings. And these are the drawings, single part drawings, and types of weldings and assembly drawings. Next, general arrangement drawings and everything. I will provide the PDF also. This PDF total number of pages are 55, and we have total number of tutorials are 33 tutorials. And at the end of this tutorial you will learn how to create a reports and bill of quantity or bill of material. And total pages are 55 in this single PDF. You will learn total number of tutorials. We have 33 tutorials in this course. So I will provide this PDF also especially for joint members. So I would like to join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide my email address in the description and on this screen of this video also. So please join my channel, and I will provide this PDF and learn the Tekla structure tutorials along with this PDF also. Okay, let's start. First, initially open Tekla structures software. In this tutorial I'm going to explain you Tekla structural setup. Okay, in this PDF you will learn the step-by-step process also, and keep the PDF along with this tutorial. You will learn everything from start to end. If you don't have this Tekla structure software, I have already explained how to download and install this software for free and student version. So please install and please check out my channel. Initially we need to select the environment. You need to install the environment according to your requirement. For example, I have installed the India environment and USA environment. You need to install the environment. Okay, currently we are going to check out this India environment. So select it, India, and role. We have a bunch of roles here. You need to select the steel detailing. So we're going to do steel project. So let's take steel detailer, and configuration is the educational version, and then click on OK. And this process also available in this PDF also. You can see environment, you need to select India, role, steel detailer, and configuration educational, then click on OK. In this PDF I have provided step-by-step process of each tutorial. So please join my channel and take a screenshots and send to my email address, and I will provide this PDF to your email directly. Next, you need to click on here new, then name. You can select Tekla structure project 1 like that. For example, I'm going to take the title of this project, Tekla structure for beginners tutorial 1. Tekla for one. Next, you need to select the placing where this Tekla structure project will be saved. Currently C in Tekla structure model. If you want to change, you can change from here. Click on here and select the folder local C or D or E. Okay, by default I'm going to save this project in C drive, Tekla structure models folder. Okay, let's take single user, and template we need to select that blank, then click on create. The same process is I have already provided in this PDF, you can see new and place in and single and template blank, and then click on create like this. Please wait until open complete interface in Tekla structures. When you get this pop-up, you are using educational license. After saving this model, it can be used only for education purpose, then click on yes. There is no difference between full version and education, and the options and everything was the same, so no need to worry about it, and just learn it. Every tool in this education license Tekla structure model. Okay, that's it about Tekla structure setup in this tutorial 1. In the next tutorial, I'm going to explain about the mouse options, rotation, pan, and zoom out. Okay, thank you.